Bitcoin price, guys, this is an imminent emergency video, actually a very short one, because I want to talk about the next move for Bitcoin here, which is looming for the next few hours. I will be talking about that. I will be talking about my personal next trade for Bitcoin. What am I doing with my other trades and why? The clock is actually ticking for Bitcoin right now. Guys, watch this video until the very end. Today it is very well invested time here, since it is a very short one. So what we can see here is basically a pattern within a pattern, and even though Bitcoin is still in consolidation mode and it is still possible that we are going lower here, I have to tell you, I remain bullish until we are not breaking this level, until we are not breaking the previous low here, actually among the lines of the 50,000 US dollar levels. Unless this is not happening, we are creating higher lows for Bitcoin. Before I'm going to my price targets, I wanted to remind you guys, let me zoom out here a little bit. This low here, this low is a higher low than this one, technically. Even on the 4 hourly, even on the daily, even on the 3 daily. We are in an uptrend if you define it by the highs and lows. Higher lows, higher highs. And if I am zooming in here, even in the micro time frame, what are we seeing here? We are having a low right here, we're having another low right here, a low right there, and all of these lows are higher lows for Bitcoin. So what does this mean here on the balance of everything? Well, first of all, we can see that during this day, I didn't saw that earlier because, well, I made my last video 12 hours ago. We have here basically either an inverse head and shoulders pattern or a W pattern potentially unfolding for Bitcoin. As you can see, we already had a breakout attempt here, but it got rejected so far. What we can do, how we can actually take actions, and this hourly candle closes in 5 minutes. The video will be published when this one is closed. We need an hourly, better even a 4 hourly candle above this specific level of 56,400 US dollars. And if we are closing above, getting volume support, then not only the inverse head and shoulders pattern is breaking out to a price target of 59,400 US dollars. No, with this breakout, we would also break out of this W pattern, whether you want to take this one here or whether you want to take this one here. No matter what happens, the W breakout would be imminent if the first one breaks out. So we can see something like a chain reaction of patterns actually breaking out towards the upside for good. And the nicest thing is that the second breakout would bring us all the way up here, back into our pattern. Back into what pattern? Let me quickly elaborate on that also. Back into our rising wedge, which was initially a bearish pattern. This could actually bring us all the way back into the pattern, and then we could call of this a fake out basically. Just as I also mentioned earlier, if I'm pulling out the EMA ribbon here on the 4 hourly, you can see we are breaking here below, and if we are breaking back above, this was just a W dip below, and we had that multiple times here on the left hand side. And if I'm going here, you can see like we had multiple times the Bitcoin price basically breaking below the EMA ribbon, then creating a W and then going towards the upside for good. And the same thing is looming right now. I'm not saying 100% this is happening. We can still see some downwards momentum. I just want to tell you guys, I'm not ringing the alarm signs unless we are not breaking this level here towards the downside. When this happens, well, then it's even likelier also to break the 50,000 US dollar level, and then we are going to see some very bloody momentum for Bitcoin. Unless this is not happening, guys, no reason to ring the alarm bells. And let me quickly go back. By the way, guys, look at this. I am here at a massive car meetup, and like, this is crazy, right? This is Dubai. And let me quickly go back to the charts actually. So this is beautiful, but now we want to of course concentrate on the content and concentrate on potential trades for Bitcoin. So you can see here also already the loud engines. What I want to remind you on, guys, if you want to trade this, go down below in the pinned comment down below. 2,520 US dollars in free bonuses. If you click the links down below on Bybit alone, 1,610 US dollars. Step number 1, click the link. Step number 2, initial deposit. And step number 3, you can trade with the free bonus for free. You can withdraw the profits from this free trade for free. And a quick calculation, 2,520 US dollars at a 40x leverage. If you only use the bonus, you can do that. This is a 100,000 US dollar trade combined on these exchanges completely for free. So make sure you use that. You can withdraw the profits from this free trade as well. We get a bonus, you get a bonus. So I truly appreciate that. And with that being said, let me quickly go back to my chart, to my trades here, just to round it up. You can see this is my Bybit trade, 4.3 Bitcoin in a profit right now, 1.5 million US dollars in contract size. And what is that? Approximately 250,000 US dollars in profits. And if I'm going over to my VMAX trade, very similar. Let me see, how can I get over there? I'm such a technical noob sometimes here. To the 7.5 million US dollars in contract size, and my profits 1.1 million US dollars in profits. As I already transparently told you guys, I took some chips from the table here since the bearish scenario is a little bit more likely now than it was before. Not saying it's more likely than not, but it's more likely than before, and that's why I'm taking chips from the table and taking profits in Bitcoin. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for all your feedback. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button, just making noise for the algorithm. That is truly appreciated, and I can see the likes growing, and because I can see your engagement actually increasing, this is the reason why I'm doing more videos here, and why I'm giving you every single update which comes into my brain, and that's just amazing. Quick update for everyone, just this is important, guys. This is why you subscribe to my Instagram at MMCrypto, and also to my Twitter channel at MMCrypto on Twitter, because I was actually calling MONERO right here ever since I was calling it. Fact check that yourself over on Twitter. Type in MMCrypto, Twitter, MONERO, and you will see I was calling it right here. If you bought it 2 weeks ago, you made a 70% profit in Bitcoin. This is why you're subscribed to MMCrypto. This is what I'm doing every day. I'm checking out the charts, and when I'm seeing a fundamentally strong altcoin bottoming out, I will update you about that. When I'm buying something, I will update you about that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thanks for joining the MMCrypto family. If you didn't so far, scroll down, press the subscription button, press the bell, and press on all. And with that being said, we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.